Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my hearts here at Whitmore Lake Elementary School here in Whitmore Lake, Michigan. My third time here. Love the kids, love the teachers. Everyone's got a special spot in my heart. I'm just outside one of the doors that says only positive attitudes allowed beyond this point. And that's really what the focus was today, positive life choices, that we are so prone as human beings to think negative that on average, the average person has between 40 and 50 thoughts every minute, and out of those 40 to 50, 8 out of 10 are negative in nature. And so many of them, almost 100% of them, are the same ones we had just yesterday, which means that we focus on the negative, unfortunately. So the shirt, obviously, Keep Your Head Up, has the hidden meaning that if we are down on ourselves or think down, then the encouragement is to keep our head up and to think more positive, right? These flyers all around the school, every time I come to visit, positive life choices was the theme of today's topic and the main focus that I presented on. But not only making that positive life choice on how we treat other people with kindness and compassion, that's kind of the focus from the first two visits, which was anti-bullying and diversity, seeing and appreciating others' differences, but now making the positive life choice to treat ourselves with kindness and to think more positive, no matter if we get a problem wrong, if we fail at something, make a mistake, that the opposite of success is not failure, but it's giving up or quitting. And for these students to really start to grasp that idea, to know that we're so much more than our failures, and that you're only a failure if you choose to give up, if you choose to quit. It's just it was so fulfilling for me, is that when I know things are hitting home, people are really starting to get the message. It's really starting to get hammered home in their hearts. And obviously we always reinforce the concept of us all being miracles. M for miracle, W upside down for worthy, and for Whitmore Lake, of course. But that we continue to think in a way that our own abilities and our potential is really limitless. It's really endless. And only when we can really see our limits will we not go as far as we can. So it's not only important for us to really consider and know our true worth, our and that we are destined for greatness and that we can have success beyond all measure, but really to also consider that part of doing our best is then to help other people succeed too. That if we're great at something, if we're awesome at something, that's wonderful. Let's really celebrate that, but then take it up a level as a true leader, have that true character, that true purpose, where now we go and help someone else. Because that's the sign of someone that's doing their best, giving their greatest effort no matter what. Thanks again for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. Always keep your head up. Never forget your miracles. You guys are etched in my heart always. Hope to see you guys again soon. Much love. Peace.